Hi everyone and welcome to MERN Tech. In this video we are going to discuss, should you learn WordPress as a MERN Tech developer? Okay, WordPress is a content management system which is highly popular all around the world, and it is said that around 70% of the websites are powered by WordPress. Now the thing is that MERN Stack is more to technology and coding, and there are people who do freelancing with WordPress without even knowing coding, right? There are lots of people like that. But since we are coders, we are MERN Stack developers, we can build applications with tiny details. To the tiny details we can fix that, we can change something, we can manipulate something, we can create advanced systems. We have full control with using the power of code. And also with WordPress you also have some plugins and like that, things like that. But WordPress is just a plug and play type of system where you can just do few clicks and create a website and have some of the functionality. It's like that. Okay, now should you learn WordPress or not as a merchant developer? If you want to do freelancing and just have some idea how WordPress works, then you should learn that. But if you are focused on MERN Stack, if you are focused on getting a job in a company that will require MERN Stack developers, or that company which is hiring MERN Stack developers, then you should highly focus only on the MERN Stack and algorithms. You can take courses from Udemy related to algorithms, data structures. You should improve on that. But if you want to just do freelancing or have a design company, then you will find lots of small clients. Then you will need WordPress a lot. So that's the main difference. You should use WordPress when you are working with small clients, because they need sometimes e-commerce website and blogs. You're not gonna create from scratch all the time by coding the e-commerce websites, because it takes a lot of time and resources to do that every time from scratch, right? In the same way, in programming, you create function and you reuse the function again and again. In the same way, you should use WordPress for regular things and not do everything from scratch all the time. But MERN Stack is specifically for working with large companies, because they have a complicated website and they cannot use WordPress for that. Examples are YouTube and many other advanced websites such as Google Maps. They cannot use WordPress. They have to get coders to do specific things to solve specific problems. So we should understand that WordPress is only for small websites and just quick plug and play and to solve common problems, okay? Like blogs and e-commerce, and we can automate lots of things. There are Shopify, so many different things. So as a MERN Stack developer, what you should do is, I suggest you to little bit look at WordPress and just check the features and test out how it is. And sometimes it may come handy to you, okay, to develop one or two websites or just to develop your own blog. But since we are MERN Stack developers, you should highly focus on MERN. You should learn all the technologies well and master it properly. There are so many technologies in MERN itself. Not only MERN, there are related technologies like Webpack, TypeScript. You should have skills in those. Alright, you can jump into machine learning later, but there are other things that you can jump later. But first, you focus on the core technologies, and then you should look to do jobs in good companies. And that's why we learn MERN, because even if there are jobs in freelancing related to the MERN stack, it's good to work with a company, I guess, because you get a better salary and better package. But if you want to go for freelancing, then WordPress is really awesome. And that's it for this video. I don't know what you think about WordPress. Okay, let me know in the comments, and thank you for watching this video, and like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next video.